Today, we really have to ask ourselves about XRP. Where is it going? Is it going to go to $5, $10, $15? And why is it going to go there? So right now, the charts are looking absolutely insane for XRP, but what is the real use case? What is the purpose? What are the driving forces behind XRP? Over on the Ripple site, we can see that they do payments, custody, and a stable coin. Now, I have seen some people online on Twitter saying that the stable coin XRP is the bridge currency for the stable coin. I'm not sure what they're talking about because the stable coin is basically backed up by US dollars and stocks. It is a fantastic like a business if you have the money to do a stable coin, because basically you own all of the stocks and you receive all the dividends for all the stocks that your stable coin is basically backed on those dollars. And the owners, the people that are holding the coins, holding the tokens, they don't get any of the dividends. So if you've got a stable coin with like $100 billion worth of stocks, you're getting all the dividends from $100 billion worth of stock. And the people that actually put the money in, they don't get nothing. It's great. I love it. But the thing is it doesn't use XRP. So there's zero use case for XRP right there. Custody, same thing. Basically, XRP, Ripple, they're holding other businesses' assets, digital assets for them for safekeeping. But there's no XRP use case there. The only one really is the payments, so that the payments require XRP to do the global international trading of money. So how it works is, say if you're in the US dollars get transferred into XRP, and then it takes about 4 seconds to do the transaction over to, let's say, Japan, and then it goes from XRP into Japanese yen. The whole thing takes about 4 seconds. It's lightning fast and is very, very, very cheap. Scrolling down here, we can see just how much they've actually been doing. So over the lifetime of Ripple, they've done 27 million transactions, and that's had a value of $50 billion. And that means that the average transaction size has actually been under $2,000, just 1,852, which is pretty low. I'd have expected a much higher number there. But what if they were to take over from Swift? Just what does Swift actually do in terms of numbers? So if we go down here, we can find on their 2022 document. So it's a while ago, but this is the latest one that we've got. So this here is for payments. And you can see here that the year-to-date average daily messages, so daily transactions in terms of payments, is just under 20 million. If we were going to do near 20 million transactions per day on Ripple's system, do we have enough XRP? Is there enough in the system for the demand at the current price? So is there demand for the price to go higher in order, if we were going to take over from something like Swift, is there enough there? So the average transaction value here, we just got just 1,800 because that's the average for Ripple so far. So this is all hypothetical, of course. This would mean that there's $37 billion worth of XRP being traded per day. Sounds like a really big number, right? So we're going to take a look at what these stats are at $2.70. And also, if it goes up to $15, just how many XRP tokens do we need in the system in order to transact all of these transactions? Okay, and then also how many we would need if it fell all the way down to just 2 cents. So at $2.70, you're going to be looking at per hour for XRP, you're going to need 568 million XRP tokens every hour to compete with something like Swift. And then if it's $15, you'd only need 102 million. And at 2 cents, you'd need 76 billion tokens per hour. But ladies and gents, the thing is the XRapid system is, of course, lightning fast. It actually transacts in just 4 seconds. So the amount that they'd actually need is going to be far less going back and forth and back and forth. With these lightning fast transactions, they can just reuse the XRP tokens. So you're looking at $2.70, which is a little higher than where we are right now. Only 631,000 and 113,000 if we get to $15, which is Doesn't sound a lot at all, does it? That's not a lot of tokens that Ripple actually need to facilitate $37 billion per day. Just 100,000 tokens. Now, if it went all the way down to 2 cents, they would need 85 million. So do they have enough tokens? Is there a supply issue? Well, over on CoinMarketCap, we can see it's currently 255 right now, so it has been going down. Circulating supply, $57 billion. So they've actually got 100 billion XRP tokens in total. There are 57 billion in circulation right now, with the other 43 billion slowly getting released every single month. They're available if exchanges want to buy them. If they need them, they're available. But, you know, there's 57 billion right now out there on the open market, and they only need a couple of 100,000 in order to facilitate $37 billion worth of transactions each day. So at the end of the day, what we can see from this is that XRP has no fundamental reason to gain in value. Like, there isn't demand there because of Ripple's payment system. But I'm not dissing it at all, because XRP will go up, and I reckon it might go up to about sort of $10 to $15 over this cycle. And the reason is not because of anything that Ripple's doing, but just merely because it is one of the absolutely solid and really good quality cryptocurrency coins which we have, and it belongs right here in the sort of top 5, top 10 coins. You're always going to see XRP in there, and as Bitcoin goes up to maybe $150,000, maybe even $200,000 over the next sort of 6 to 8 months, you're going to see XRP also, with the whole of the rest of the cryptocurrency market, also go up as well. Looking at where it is right now, it does look as though it is going to take a fall back down. Even if it doesn't actually break down below this upward trend, it's likely to come down from where it is right now. So probably a good place to sell, but long term it should go up. So the question is, if you are going to sell XRP right now, what else could you possibly buy which is due to go up and explode right now? So just take a look at this. XRP recently, it has got up over this here, the 2021 all-time high. April 2021, it was hitting up there at about $2, just under $2. Well, it's just recently blown straight past that, and it's now into sort of virgin territory, or sort of. It actually went higher back in like late 2017, 2018. But Bitcoin also blew past its 2021 all-time high back in March. Took a while, came back down, and then recently blown right up past it. However, there is one coin right here on CoinMarketCap which has still not actually gone past that all-time high from 2021, and that's Solana. So Solana is still way down here. This is 2021 and it's still here. It still has not gone up past. So we've got Bitcoin gone up, XRP gone up past it now. We've only got sort of what, 6 to 8 months left of this bull run before we're probably going to end up in another bear market, and Solana's still not actually gone past its last all-time high. It's got to go up soon. And with this news that's just come out recently, so Grayscale fires their Solana ETF as Sol token surges 6%. I'm not sure if I could see that 6% on the chart right now, but at the end of the day, if Grayscale does actually get this Solana ETF accepted, as what we've seen with Bitcoin and also Ethereum as well, lots of ETFs coming in recently, then that could well act as just the catalyst that we need to push Solana way past its previous all-time high, maybe up to sort of $400-500, or at least $400-500 on the first little push up. That is it for me for now, and do let me know down in the comments below which coins you think are worth investing in right now. If you're pulling out of XRP yourself, what are you going to get into? Are you just going to stick with XRP anyway? Do let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you again in the next video.